Welcome back to Jen's Life Anatomy, hashtag JLAB, and thank you guys for being here today. And for today's video, we have
Korean snacks!
So we have Korean snacks, guys, and this is was an inspiration from our friends Duarte and Caprisa. If you guys are watching, this is for you guys. So for today, we are gonna try these snacks, and then we'll let you guys know if it's if we like it or not. Okay? And where should we start with?
I'll start here to here.
Okay, so we have Korean snacks, different kinds. If you wanna say, we can't really.
Salt.
Okay.
Truffle salt.
All right. So guys, we're gonna try these snacks.
Where should we try? It's right here, right?
Okay, when you pick it up. So we're gonna start with that one right there.
Truffle salt.
Truffle salt. Yay! I hope it's good. So we got this from. Oh my gosh! What's the name of the? Did you see the California market? Is it? Oh, okay. So we got this from the Korean California market here in LA, and you guys will find this over there. Okay, so the store is along Western, and that's where you guys can find it. Who wants to open it?
I'll open it.
Okay. Sit down. I don't think they saw us. Do it now.
Why do you open it like that? I don't know.
Okay, give me the trash. Hold on.
Come on.
Let me get a trash bag.
Was that what it looks like?
Was it something?
This is what it looks like. Oh, that's the H mark.
This one's a good one. The one you want.
It's
okay.
thin.
Give some to Reese.
Thin. It looks like Lay's.
And some for me.
Oh, it looks like the potato seeds.
We have some. Okay, guys.
Let's try.
First
3,
try.
2,
Cheers.
1. Did you already take a bite? It's good.
You know what it's weird? It has a truffle flavor. But unlike most chips, you know, most American chips are salty. This tastes kind of sweet, huh?
Yeah.
It's not bad though.
It's not bad.
We're just not used to sweet.
I'm not used to it.
No. Sweet potato chips, right?
I want to try the candy mix. This one?
Let's do that last because it's gonna take a long time for us to. Okay. Want to try a drink?
Oh yeah, okay.
Sit down. Chill, bro. Finish your chip. Okay. It has a little bit of a truffle flavor.
Just in the middle for me.
Alright. Can you smell? It smells kind of like sweet corn. I think that's the flavor. It has kind of sweet corn to it, mixed with a truffle flavor. How about you guys? Did you guys like it?
Middle. 5 out of 10. Yeah.
So, oh, okay.
We're gonna rate it out of 10.
So 5 out of 10. What do you think?
I like it's 5 out of 10. Kind of mid. Actually, no. 5.5.
Okay.
I like it a little bit more better than not like it.
How about you, Reese? Mid. Yeah.
So
For
5,
me, it's
5 out of 10.
probably a 6.
Okay. Next
Because
one.
I'm used to kind of like the sweet stuff
There we
because
go.
of the
This one
Filipinos. Oh, let's do a drink first.
Yeah.
Because I'm getting thirsty. So let's do, which one should we do first?
You want to try the banana?
Want to try the
What's
banana?
this?
But it's not cold. No, let's start with this one first. Because this one's cold.
I want to try the
Okay.
milk.
So we're gonna try this one first.
That one?
So we're drinking this one, Gokuri.
Gokuri.
The flavor is
Gokuri. Tell me.
peach.
Peach. Let's
Well,
try.
can I take a picture of milk?
Later.
Baby blah blah blah.
Hold on. I can't video. Oops.
Oi.
So we have some glass.
No, Mom, don't pour that much.
It's sparkling water
Yeah.
again. You're not gonna like this. Okay, we'll
I'll
see.
just, a little bit.
Hold on. Wait for everybody.
Oh. Why do you want so much for you guys?
Because
You still like sparkling
we don't
water?
mind. We don't mind. So, cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
No, Mom, this is not sparkling water.
Oh, it's not.
I like this. I like this. It's
You
like
like it?
soda.
It's like ramen
It's
and like
peach soda.
ramen and Coke together.
Not just like
Yeah.
lemonade, with a little bit of your Coke, but it doesn't leave that like that feeling in your
What?
in your
What
throat.
feeling? Sparkly?
Lead.
Bubbly.
No, whenever you drink your Coke, right?
Oh.
It feels like there's like flooding. I don't know.
Okay.
This is good.
This is good. So, 5 out of 10.
You're like 5 out of 10?
No, what do you rate it? Oh, I mean, 10 out, 1 to 5. How would you rate it?
1 to 5 or 1 to 10?
1 to, did I say 1 to 5?
You said 1 to 5!
Okay, 1 to 10.
7.
Yeah, no, 8. I like it.
8?
I like it a lot.
For me, I think it's a 6. It's alright.
It's not that
It's
bad.
refreshing. I like it.
It's kind of refreshing, yeah. Okay, so which one is next?
I'm gonna try this.
Okay, let's try that one next. Okay.
What is this? Sour onion.
Sour onion.
I don't know what this is. Sour onion.
Okay, so it says sour onion,
Sour onion
and
chips.
we're not able to read the label.
I like
Sorry,
this. I'm gonna pour some
guys.
more.
So, who's gonna open it?
Hello.
Okay, thanks.
You don't know how to open it.
Oh, sorry. No, I opened it earlier.
Sit down.
Hey, it's We're trying it. Thank you. Wait. I was about to eat it. What I noticed about the chips so far, they're
Uh-huh.
all thin.
Okay. Yeah. That's good observation.
Is this also chips or is it corn?
Yeah, that's chin. Chip.
Okay.
I said chin.
Here.
Okay. Wow, I
So now we're gonna try. Yeah, it is
this.
3, 2, 1.
How about
Like
the
it
smell?
said sour. Ugh, it smells like onions.
Okay.
It's not raw onions, but like onions.
Tastes
Why
sweet.
did you eat it?
Tastes really
Here.
Why do all the chips taste sweet?
Not too sweet. Not as sweet as the other one.
I'll still eat it, but
I think this is a little saltier.
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
I don't like it that much. You like it much?
Never mind, it is sweet, huh?
The more you eat it, the more sweeter it gets.
I know, it's so weird. The first time I ate it, it was a little salty. Now it's tasting sweeter. That's so weird. Okay. Rate it.
I rate it 4 out of 10. 4.
4?
I really like it.
Yeah, dude.
And I don't. And there's no ones for me.
6.5 out of 10. For me.
Okay, whatever.
I think
you
it's better than
have.
this one though.
I like this one better.
You like
Wanna
that
try
one?
drink? Yes.
Okay, let's
I wanna
try
try
it.
this one.
Come on. No, let's try drink.
Whatever
Drink.
drink. Oh, what is this? Wait. A grape juice. Grape juice. Smiley face with grape. Open. Oh, it's just juice. It's not like soda. Okay. Oh, mine.
Smells good.
You haven't even smelled it yet.
I can smell it.
I haven't even.
Give me more
Oh.
than that, bro. That looks good.
Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry, Mom. Wait. I need to.
Cheers.
Ooh, tastes like medicine. I'm used to it.
Tastes like grape juices. Like it's a regular grape juice.
You know what it tastes like?
What?
It tastes like No. Drink it. A cat.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You can.
Well, you love it.
It tastes like the juice that they give out at church, but a little bit watered down.
Yeah.
The blood of Jesus Christ.
All right.
Okay, we said she wanted to try this. Says, how do you pronounce this?
Let me have this.
I know how to do it.
Tequila. Tequila.
What did you say to that? Pagila.
Tequila.
Tequila.
Let me see. Okay.
Tequila.
What's
Why do you say it like this? Tequila.
So the flavor of this, it's by Elise.
I think it's
Tequila.
strawberry.
The flavor is strawberry. And now we're gonna try this. Who wants to open?
I'll open. Hey, you opened it last.
You'll open this one.
Okay.
Guys, this is my super cool unboxing video.
Wait. Hold on.
Oh, sorry. Let's do that, and then like we do this.
OMG. I mean, oh my gosh. OMG gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What? Just, oh.
That's not mine.
No, it's because we scooped
So
it
this
out.
is, oh, it looks like a wafer, huh?
Yeah, it's a wafer with strawberry.
Strawberries.
Cheers.
Cheers. Very strong strawberry
Guys?
smell.
Ready for the ASMR?
I'm in a mess.
Ready?
Guys, did we rate the grape juice?
Oh, my god.
So, the grape juice for me was like a 6.5.
I liked it a lot.
Oh, so what's your rate?
7.
Okay, how about you?
It was mid.
Is it 5?
Okay.
Yeah.
So how about this one? This was really yummy.
It has too much of a strawberry taste.
Too
I
much.
only like the
It's too
wafer.
strong.
Yeah, it's the strawberry flavor is a little strong.
But it's still good.
What is it?
It's new caramel maple color.
Alright, let's try it. Okay, that's enough. Wow, look guys, it's gigantic.
Big. It's like a Cheeto.
It's almost as it's bigger than my thumb.
Okay, ready?
Smells like caramel. Cheers.
Crunchy and sweet.
It's very crunchy.
Okay, who's ready for the ASMR?
Ready?
ASMR?
It's so crunchy.
Rate the ASMR, guys. 10 out of 10. 10. Rate the ASMR, Mom.
Oh, the ASMR? 10 out of 10.
I don't like it. It's a treat.
Rate the food.
It's a treat.
I like this one a lot.
I changed mine to a 9.5.
This one's a 9 for me. Out of 10. How about you, Jay? 3 out of 10 for Caleb. Doesn't like sweet stuff. It tastes like caramel
No, I don't
or
like. I don't like.
popcorn caramel
I don't like that.
in a corn snack. You know those corn? What do you call that?
What? Those
Corn.
dry.
You know, like the Filipino.
The one that comes in like the cold.
Yeah.
Oh, can I drink a drink? My throat's dry.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Next one is
Banana flavored milk drink.
Okay. It comes with a straw, guys.
And somebody already took it off.
this is also a popular snack or drink for Korean when I searched it. So let's see. This is the first time we're gonna try it.
Why did you take it off?
Okay.
It's banana milk.
My friend said like the one that comes in this thingy is better.
Please come
Oh, really?
on, my throat's dry.
Cheers.
I like it.
Mm. You know what it reminds me of?
I know like Bear Brand.
No, the one that I make. Ano yan?
The
Scramble?
banana one.
Scramble. Tastes like it's scrambled.
Wait, yeah, that one.
Sa akin chuchi, Bear Brand nga daw.
Yeah, that tastes like Bear Brand.
It's like it has the scramble plus the bear brand together.
Is it really sweet?
Mm-mm.
No,
No.
that's a
Milky?
lot
It's
of.
just, it's milky,
It's smoky, kinda like banana.
banana-y.
Banana-y. That's a banana flavor. I know.
Wanna try
Tteokbokki?
it? Yummy.
Guys got tteokbokki?
This one is a 8 out of 10 for me.
I finished it off. It's
7.5.
I like it. It's a 10. Actually, no. 9 and 9.5. 9.5.
Okay.
9.5.
All right. So now we're moving on to the next one, which one?
Tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki.
It says, I don't know how to pronounce that. Tteokbokki. Something tteokbokki. Me neither. Okay.
I wanna open it.
Yeah.
It looks like spicy churros.
It does look like spicy churros. Churros. I have only one. Thank you. Let's try. Cheers.
Oh, kind of looks like Cheetos.
Cheers.
It's hard.
This one is a popular one too.
It's so hard.
It's also sweet.
It does give it like crunchy. It's kind of hard.
Okay, ASMR test, guys. Ready? fine.
I thought you were gonna drink it.
It's okay.
It's kind of sweet, right?
But at the end, it's kind of like tiny bit spicy.
Just a tiny bit. It's not that
Yeah.
spicy.
Tiny bit.
Tiny bit.
I don't really like it. Like,
No, real.
it's a 5.
So rate it.
Middle.
It's mid.
5. 5?
Mid.
For you, 5? How about you, Mom?
For me, it's
What's that?
6.
What was that? Oh, the man.
Okay.
This one's a 6 for me.
I don't like it that much. Are we going to eat this one?
We already ate that one.
Oh,
What? Eat
how about the bottle? Who's
Hey, I
gonna
wanna
be the
drink it.
baby?
I wanna
Yeah.
drink it. No, I'm the youngest.
But I'm the baby.
So we have a baby bottle,
Can I drink it?
I want to drink
and
it.
Wait,
I
Mom,
don't
is
even
that
know what's
milk?
in it. It says SLW yogurt drink.
Oh, yogurt.
Okay, so we're gonna put some in your cup. Drink the stuff in your
I
cup.
want to drink it from him.
But I want to. Oh, haha, it's at the bottle.
Give me some. I'm gonna get some. Oh, it tastes like a yogurt.
You haven't even tasted it yet, Mom.
I mean, it smells like a yogurt.
Can I keep the bottle?
No, I want it.
Okay.
Please, I want to drink it.
Let
that.
your brother drink it in.
Oh.
Yeah. Fine. If you drink it out of the bottle, then I get to keep the bottle.
Fine.
Deal.
You guys wanted a bottle, baby bottle. I'm gonna get you guys a baby.
Oh, it's not working. I can't drink from it. Wait, no, you actually can.
It's like a milk
Ow.
with yogurt in it. You gotta put it here first.
How do you open it?
You gotta put it there. And then pull. Watch me. Watch me.
Mom skills.
Well, I'm a child. I feel like she's gonna punch me in the face.
Yeah. I thought I was gonna punch my face in the face.
What? You're gonna punch
Face in
you.
the face?
You're gonna punch your face in the face. You're gonna punch their face in the face.
What's your mouth?
It's not working.
I don't think you
I
can
think we're
drink
gonna-
out of it.
No, you can.
I think
Look.
that's how. It was opening though, right? Earlier.
We need Dad's help.
B.
Dad.
Come on,
It's
Doc.
coming out. 10 hours later.
Please move your head.
Oh, I got it open.
Okay, but actually drink it.
Okay, come on, baby. Drink the bottle.
It tastes weird.
Drink it. Drink it up.
I don't like it. I don't like the taste.
Come on, drink it.
That's a 0.
Okay. For me, it's so a 1. Oh, this one's a popular one too. When I search.
Oh, you open it from here.
Oh, and I have a special surprise after this.
Bench.
It's binge. Okay, comes in the box like this.
Hey, this is actually. Oh, Mom. Oh, there's a piece
Okay.
gonna fall out.
So
This
did you
is
get
what
one?
it looks like.
Ow, you're slipping on my toe.
Okay, open it. Ooh. Oh, just a mooncake.
It looks like chocolate.
This one's for you, Dwart. And Capri Sun.
Capri Sun.
Cheers!
Wait, cheers! Chris, cheers!
With this hot
So guys, it has a chocolate on the top and a biscuit in the bottom.
It's like a chocolate wafer.
Or a chocolate biscuit.
You just bit the chocolate off. Why aren't you eating the biscuit?
I'm not supposed to have milk and stuff.
Then why did you only eat
Just
the
after
chocolate?
It's okay, baby.
Biscuit. Dude, you're only eating the chocolate and you said I'm supposed to have milk and stuff.
I don't like the way it looks like Ritz.
Let's eat it. It tastes good. You
Okay,
ate it all by itself.
rate it.
I like it. I'm gonna have another one.
5. It's kind of mid.
It's 8.
I think it's
It's 8.
9 for me. It's a 9. It's a 9 for me.
Wait, Dad. It's pretty.
And then,
Okay.
next one.
You're not in the frame place.
Alright. I will make tea. Nice movie. And then we have the delightfully refreshing green grape candy.
So this one, I saw this one, and it was also a popular Korean snack, or yeah, candy.
Oh,
Specifically the grape one, the green grape flavor. So show them. Ooh, it's round.
Oh, grapes are supposed to be round.
Yeah, it looks like a little
It
grape.
looks like a lollipop, but without the stick.
Yeah. Oh, how is it?
Oh, I forgot we were eating it together.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wait, it looks like a football.
I think the fact that it's round, it's kind of enjoyable to eat. You know, it's different from the most candies here in America, where it's kind of like oval. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's oval.
Oh.
Oval. Can you guys talk? Oval?
Yeah.
Wow, you were the one who said oval.
I didn't talk.
You're the one that said
Our candy is
oval,
pretty
Mom.
big.
I
How
can
do-
say oval.
What do you guys think about the grape
Oval.
flavor?
It's good. What? Why is he laughing?
I think we got sugar high here. I really like this.
Yes. Oh, I was talking about science gases.
The science gases?
Oh,
What?
okay, guys, we're gonna have to wrap this up soon because someone has too much gas now.
What's this?
Oh my god! Ayo.
Hey, yo.
Oh gosh.
OMG.
Well, this one's really good.
That's like my picture.
Turn on the fan.
Come here, guys. Come on.
Oh, Mommy, look at my hair looks pretty.
Hey, we're not done yet. We're still okay, so what do you guys think about
9.5 out of 10.
It's a 8.5. Actually, no, 8.7.
Alright, guys. Oh, guys, I have a special surprise. Any snacks without ice cream?
I
knew it!
Is it chocolate flavored?
Yeah.
That's all.
When I checked the popular snacks, it said that Papito is one of them.
Oh, I
My
like
Lotte.
I like coffee.
Loti. How do you say that? Lodi? Lodi?
We're still eating our.
Lottie.
Don't say.
It's a chocolate flavored iced tea.
They're still eating our grape.
I stopped my
Put it down.
I want to open it. Oh, this
Wait,
feels
is that-
weird.
no, that's the
It feels
sound.
like the one that's like in the bottle. Like,
Oh!
oh, it is in a bottle. Oh my gosh, I saw the Korean twins eating this.
Oh, Korean twins. What's their name? I don't know. Korean twins for you.
You don't know what the Korean twins. They're like.
How do you open these?
They're like.
Dude, you gotta
Look,
bite
guys,
it
you
and
gotta-
then twist.
Oh, look.
You open it in a different way. Which I
Oh, I did it.
You did it?
Ow.
Yeah, I like put this thing.
Oh.
You just like rip
You
it
just
off,
put
no?
it-
Oh my.
Oh! Just pull it out like that. Oh.
3, 2,
Cheers.
1. Cheers!
Hey, no! Now stuff the onion. What? Is this milk chocolate? Yeah. Oh, this is good. What does this remind me of? Ice candy.
Is it really, really sweet?
Yeah. Wait, no, the best part, this is good. Get this. Oh, this is my favorite. Out of all the things, this is the best. I rate this 11.
So that's a winner.
I rate this 100 out of 10. Wow. It's 10 times 10. But just to share. Like, make it like that way. Like this way? Yeah. I'm easy. Okay.
Okay, wait. So you're gonna rate the top 3.
Wait, we're gonna rate this. So what would you rate this one? 11. We already rated it. 11? Oh, for me it's a 10. It's a 10 for me. You, Reese? I said 100. Really? Yes. Okay.
Wait. Chuchoy. Don't leave that.
I don't know.
Okay, ready? You're gonna rate your top 3. Number 3 is the last. Number 2 and then number
Okay,
1.
who's gonna go first? I'll do it. Oh.
Ready, set, go.
So, number 1 for you is this one. What's it called? Tapico. Tapico. And then number 2 is the banana. I don't really have. Actually, no. This one.
Show it.
Number 2 is the banana. Number 2 is the banana. No. And then this one's number 3. Ah, okay. Okay. So, how about you, Reese? Okay. The yogurt is number 2. Number 1 is this one. Number 2 is the grape candy. And then number 3 is nothing. Wait, no. How about the banana? I don't like the banana. How about the yogurt? You don't like the yogurt? Oh, no, the caramel. Oh, yeah, I like the caramel. Why is it? I don't know.
Chuchoy doesn't like it.
You should like it so much to get it. Okay, for me, that was a number 3 for me. Okay, for me, this is number 1. That ice cream. Number 2. Oh, the papito. This was number 2. And my number 3 favorite would be the grape candy.
Alright guys, so that is it for our video. Tell us which one would you like to try. Please hashtag comment down below and hashtag JLAB and put what you guys like most. Okay, so alright, that is it for our video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. This video is inspired by George and Capisa.
Right guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.